For decades, the Porsche 911 has been an icon of automotive excellence, a symbol of performance and prestige. It's the dream car for many, evoking pure driving pleasure. But in 2025, as costs rise, a critical question emerges. Is the dream of owning a 911 truly attainable, or is there a hidden financial reality? This isn't just about the sticker price. It's about the deep, often painful financial commitment of owning a 911. Is it a dream worth chasing or a financial black hole? Let's dive in. Episode 1. The Allure of the 911, a timeless icon. The Porsche 911 isn't just a car, it's a legend. Since 1963, its design has evolved, consistently delivering an unparalleled driving experience. This enduring appeal makes many aspire to own one. The initial perceived cost, often highlighted in marketing, seems manageable. You see the base MSRP, dream of the open road, and think, this is within reach, but that's where the illusion cracks. The sticker price is just the beginning of a much longer, more expensive journey. The true cost extends far beyond the showroom, a complex web of expenses that can quickly turn a dream into a financial nightmare. This narrative is often untold, a secret kept until enthusiasts are deeply invested. And what happened next would shock everyone. Episode 2. 2025 models and their sticker price, the Deceptive starting point. Most people start with the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP. For 2025, Porsche offers diverse 911 models. The 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera Street Arts around $120,100. 1. The Carrera S is approximately $146,400. 1. The new 2025 Porsche 911 GTS T Hybrid ranges from $166,895 to $187,995. 2. The 911 Turbo S commands even higher figures. These numbers, while substantial, appear to be the definitive cost. However, this is deceptive. Base prices are just a foundation. The true cost of a fully optioned vehicle is exponentially higher. The luxury segment excels at alluring base prices, knowing few cars leave the factory in their stripped-down form. This initial figure is a psychological anchor. The journey from base model to a personalized dream machine adds tens, if not hundreds of thousands. This subtle strategy keeps the true cost secret until commitment is almost irreversible. But that wasn't the whole story. Episode 3. The hidden costs, options, tariffs, and taxes. Beyond the base price lies a labyrinth of additional costs. Optional extras are significant. Porsche's configurator offers endless customization, from premium paint to performance upgrades, each adding thousands. Buyers often add $30,000 to $100,000 in options. Many are considered essential, blurring the line between want and need. For instance, a 202699 2.2 base 911 at $127,000 could reach $148,000 with standard desirable configurations 3. Then there are tariffs. Geopolitical factors significantly impact imported luxury vehicles. A 20% tariff could push that $148,000 to $176,000 before sales tax 3. This substantial, unforeseen increase catches buyers off guard. Tariffs fluctuate, adding unpredictability. This hidden tax directly translates to a higher price, making 911 ownership more distant. Finally, sales tax and other governmental fees vary by location but are unavoidable. In Illinois, sales tax on a $176,000, Porsche adds thousands, pushing the total over $180,000. 3. Registration and luxury taxes are also recurring. The cumulative effect of options, tariffs, and taxes transforms the MSRP into a formidable sum, revealing the first layer of the 911's secret financial reality. And what happened next would shock everyone. Episode 4. Maintenance and running costs, the ongoing drain. Acquiring a 911 is just the first step. The true financial commitment unfolds through ongoing maintenance and running costs. These expenses, often underestimated, quickly accumulate. Porsche, a high-performance luxury brand, commands premium prices for parts and labor. Routine maintenance is significantly more expensive than for a standard vehicle, easily running into hundreds or thousands annually. Major services can cost several thousand. Consumables are another significant expense. High-performance tires wear faster and cost $1,500 to $3,000 or more per set. Brakes are critical and expensive. A full brake job can exceed $5,000 and ceramic brakes over $10,000. These cannot be deferred without compromising safety. Insurance premiums for a 911 are substantially higher, ranging from $2,000 to $5,000 or more annually, depending on factors like value, repair costs, and driving record. Fuel, premium grade, is consumed rapidly during spirited driving. The cumulative effect of these costs adds another $5,000 to $10,000 annually, transforming the dream into a persistent financial commitment. But that wasn't the whole story. Episode 5. Depreciation, the silent killer of value. Depreciation is the most significant hidden cost of luxury car ownership. The moment a new 911 leaves the dealership, its value drops rapidly in the first few years. Unlike rare models that appreciate, most new 911 second Carrera S lose substantial value within 3 to 5 years. This loss is a real financial hit as the asset continuously loses value. Factors influencing depreciation include mileage, condition, and market trends. The introduction of the 2025 GT Hybrid, for example, might accelerate depreciation for earlier non-hybrid models. While specific 2025 figures are pending, historical data suggests a 911 could lose 20 to 30% in the first year and 40 to 50% within 3 to 5 years. A $180,000 car could be worth $90,000 negative, $108,000 after a few years, a loss of $72,000 negative, $90,000. This staggering sum often exceeds combined maintenance, insurance, and fuel costs. While the 911 generally holds value better than some luxury sports cars, it's not immune. The myth that all Porsches are investments is fueled by a select few highly sought-after variants like GT3, second, or rare turbos. For standard models, significant and unavoidable depreciation is a substantial part of the true cost. This silent financial erosion is a critical secret many prospective owners overlook, and what happened next would shock everyone. Episode 6. Investment potential, Fact or fiction. The idea of the Porsche 911 as a sound investment is largely fiction for most new models in 2025. This narrative is driven by the exceptional performance of limited production, highly collectible variants like the GT3, GT3 RS, or rare turbo models. These can appreciate, especially if meticulously maintained. However, this doesn't apply to standard Carrera S, or even the new GT Hybrid models. These are mass-produced and subject to the same depreciation trends as other luxury vehicles. The belief that any 911 guarantees a return on investment is a dangerous misconception. For every appreciating GT3, dozens of standard 911 second follow a predictable depreciation curve. The market for collectible Porsches is highly specialized, requiring deep brand understanding. It's not for casual buyers seeking quick profit. What makes a Porsche an investment versus a money pit is its rarity, historical significance, original specification, and condition. A standard 911 is unlikely to appreciate significantly in the short to medium term. Its value depends on market demand for used luxury sports cars, subject to economic fluctuations. Therefore, for the average buyer, a new 911 should be viewed as an expenditure on a luxury item and driving experience, not a financial investment. Any perceived appreciation is more likely an offset against depreciation, not a true gain. This distinction is a crucial secret, separating savvy collectors from misled enthusiasts. And what happened next would shock everyone. Episode 7. The hybrid factor, a new dimension of cost? The 2025 Porsche 911 GT Hybrid introduces electrification to the core 911 lineup, promising enhanced performance and efficiency. However, it also adds a new dimension of cost. The initial purchase price is higher, reflecting advanced technology. Beyond that, there are potential long-term implications for maintenance and repair. Hybrid systems are more complex, involving additional components like electric motors and high-voltage batteries. While Porsche engineering is reliable, increased complexity means more potential service or replacement needs. The high-voltage battery has a finite lifespan, and replacement can be exceptionally costly outside of warranty. Specialized tools and training are required for hybrid servicing, potentially leading to higher labor costs. The integration of electric and gasoline powertrains adds layers of software and electronic control units, increasing diagnostic complexity. While fuel savings are appealing, increased complexity and higher repair costs for the hybrid system could offset them. This makes the 2025 Porsche 911 GTS T Hybrid a fascinating but potentially more financially demanding proposition, adding another layer to the secret cost of ownership. And what happened next would shock everyone. Episode 9: The Secret Revealed Beyond the Sticker Price. We've peeled back the layers of the Porsche 911's perceived affordability, uncovering the true financial reality of ownership in 2025. The secret isn't a single hidden fee, but a complex interplay of factors transforming the dream into a significant, ongoing financial commitment. It begins with the deceptive starting price, inflated by essential options. Then come tariffs and taxes, adding tens of thousands. These initial acquisition costs are just the beginning. The ongoing drain of maintenance and running costs is a major component. Routine services, expensive consumables like tires and brakes, and high insurance premiums demand continuous outlay. But perhaps the most significant, yet overlooked, is depreciation. This silent killer can erase tens of thousands from the car's worth in just a few years, far outweighing other running costs. For the 2025 GTS T Hybrid, hybrid system complexity adds potential long-term maintenance and repair costs. Real-world experiences reveal emotional and unexpected financial burdens, turning the dream into anxiety. Synthesizing these elements, the true cost of owning a Porsche 911 over 3 to 5 years can easily double or triple the initial MSRP. A $120,000 car can realistically cost $250,000 to $350,000 or more over 5 years, factoring in hidden costs, depreciation, and running expenses. This is the shocking spoiler the secret Porsche marketing doesn't highlight. The 911 is a luxury for those with the means to buy it and the sustained financial capacity to maintain it and absorb significant depreciation. The psychological impact can be profound, transforming initial excitement into a realization of the dream's true financial weight. Conclusion: is the Porsche 911 dream still worth chasing in 2025? The answer is complex. While the 911 remains an engineering marvel and a symbol of automotive passion, its true cost extends far beyond the initial purchase price. The hidden expenses from options and tariffs to maintenance, insurance, and relentless depreciation reveal a financial reality that can be truly shocking. For those with unlimited resources, these costs are mere footnotes. But for the aspiring enthusiast, 911 ownership in 2025 is a luxury reserved for the truly wealthy, those who can absorb the significant financial commitment without a second thought. It's a car that demands respect, not just for its performance, but for the financial discipline it requires. Before you embark on the journey of 911 ownership, understand the full picture, because the secret of its true cost is now revealed. What are your thoughts on the true cost of owning a Porsche 911? Have you experienced any of these hidden expenses, or do you have a different perspective? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Your input helps our community grow and learn together. If you found this video insightful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of automotive finance and luxury cars. Your support helps us continue to bring you content that challenges perceptions and reveals the untold stories.